Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: your Apple ID email or phone, a trusted device with Wi-Fi, and the device passcode. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac because you'll trigger account recovery or reset flows there. Make sure to keep another device nearby for verification codes. You don't need to guess passwords yet. Instead, prepare to request a reset. This reduces delays and ensures you control the account recovery steps that follow. You now begin the recovery. In Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. Once there, choose Change Password if you remember current passcode, or use Account Recovery if you don't. Enter your device passcode to authorize a reset or request a recovery key if configured. Expect verification codes sent to trusted devices or phone numbers. Enter them promptly. If prompted, approve on another Apple device. This sequence ensures you reset the Game Center password. You finish by signing into Game Center on each device with your new password. Once signed in, check game progress and purchases. Make sure to update Keychain and any password managers so autofill works across devices. If something goes wrong, use Account Recovery to extend the waiting period or request a recovery key. Keep recovery contact info current. As a quick tip, if verification codes fail, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular. Then retry because connectivity issues often block code delivery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.